Welcome back to Goshen Prepping. As we prepare for an unknown future, there are two things that every prepper must prep. But let me explain to you in a grid down or crap it's fan situation. I think you know clean water is a luxury. And where there's contaminated water, not to mention poor sanitation or spoiled food, there's a serious risk of intestinal parasites. Things like roundworms, hookworms, pinworms, you name it. Combined with limited or no access to modern medicine, that's a recipe for disaster. I want you to understand that in the United States and other first world countries, our water is the best. It is premium because often, in most cases, like in cities, that water is treated before it makes it to your tap. But even more so, all the sewage water is treated before it makes it into the ground. It's like a double treatment to make sure that, contaminated feces don't make it into your water. Unfortunately, this is certainly not the case in third world countries. Contaminated water is the norm. And people often pay because of this and pay with their lives. And in consequence, over 1 million people a year die because of this. But not in the United States. We have clean water until the grid goes down. Then sewage treatment plants fail. It's what happens, guaranteed. And our nice clean water becomes contaminated with feces. And the worst part, no hospitals, no doctors. What do you do? And that's where Ozio Medical comes in. We've talked about that before and model their products. Fantastic. They have all kinds of prescriptions and kits to help in practically every single scenario you can think of. And in this specific case, we're looking at a prescription of the two most important things, ivermectin and mebendazole. Every prepper should have this. And I'll show you what this prescription does and why it's so vital and how Ozio Medical can help you. But before I do that, of course, I have to give my disclaimer. I am a physician. However, I am not giving you medical advice. I strongly urge you to speak with your doctor and the doctors at Ozio Medical so they can give you sound advice when getting this prescription and taking this medication. And of course, use it as directed. Okay, the two amazing drugs in this bottle. Again, the first one is ivermectin. Now, it used to be specifically for veterinary medicine, but now the FDA has approved it for medical purposes for humans and a very good purpose too. One condition it treats is strongyloidiasis, or you simply may know it as roundworm. I want you to see how important this is. This is the life cycle of roundworm. And what happens is an infected person will have this in their intestines. And when they go to the bathroom, they'll secrete out the eggs in their stools. And normally this would go to the sewage treatment plants. But no, in a grid down situation, it goes in this way. And as the stools lay on the ground, a person, or sometimes even a dog will come in this scenario, will step on it. Can you imagine stepping on this, not even knowing it? And the worm will go through the skin of your feet. It's sometimes called a thread worm. It'll infect through your feet into your skin, into your entire body, and eventually infect your body and go back to your intestines and start that cycle all over again. The next is called onchocerciasis. And for this worm, its life cycle uses an animal, specifically an insect called a black fly. It's only found typically in Africa and South America. So this disease specifically is called river blindness. Ivermectin is the first drug found in here. It's an anti-helminthic drug, which means it goes against worms. Broad spectrum, by the way, not necessarily just river blindness, but a whole host of other kinds of worms. But alongside the other drug in here, mebendazole is another anti-helminthic drug fighting other worms such as roundworms, hookworms, pinworms, and whipworms. And you can see for each of these specific worms, they actually have their own life cycle. In this case, simply just found in the soil. When it gets in your body, will wreak havoc. And another one, the eggs and feces, gets through the skin of your feet. So now we have a prescription to fight these when crap hits the fan. Ozio Medical also includes the sheet for us, which you can see for a parasitic cleanse. Simply just take 1 pill 3 times a day. Or for roundworms, simply 2 by mouth and repeat in 3 weeks as needed. But this is amazing. Look at this. Look at all the pills in here, 90 of them. We are talking about numerous treatments. So as a physician, let me give you my 2 cents. I was an EMT for years and worked in medicine before I finally broke down and went to medical school. I knew there were worms. I knew some people had worms, but I didn't know how prevalent it was in the United States or how catastrophic these little buggers are. And when I started going through the pathology and disease classes, seeing these things, it opened my eyes and I said, oh my gosh, here in the United States, we have a whole host of these things that infect, it's usually kids. Kids are outside, touching things they shouldn't, walking around barefoot. But right now, again, we have really good medical treatment. We have a lot of drugs available, so you don't usually see it. But even more so, we have an amazing sanitation system. So most people don't go outside and poo in the yard, but instead poo in a toilet. But guess what? Sewage treatment plants fail. You're going to have this poo in your yard. And we're going to see a massive increase in the amount of these worm infections. So We talk about all the time different things you want to have for your stash, obviously food and water and such. But when we talk about certain types of drugs and everything, this is worth its weight in gold. I mean, the price is so economical for what you get in 90 pills. This is incredible. I'll link it below, everybody. Ozio Medical, fantastic job, by the way. You really put the things in that we really need as far as, setting ourselves for any type of major catastrophe that's coming, because it's not simply just war or even the grid going down. It's the repercussions because of that. So when sanitation and clean drinking water goes down and we no longer have our fantastic medical facilities, Ozio Medical has you covered. So now what do you do in that situation when you have a patient or a family member with worms? You treat it. Hope this helped out. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.